As we speak, the Decepticons are attacking Shanghai. You must stop them before it is too late.
This destruction is caused by a Decepticon unknown to us. Find him.
Fire is open. You are to be eliminated.
Come and get it.
Enemy unit coming in.
Shanghai faces annihilation.
Take those Decepticons out. Decepticons hit. Don't let up.
The city cannot take much more. Find your target.
You are to be eliminated. Release your
This is more fun than I thought.
Truly, this is a Decepticon like no other. He must be stopped. Look out, Autobot! Get to safety!
Here we go. Decepticon wounded. Enemy unit coming in.
Good. You've got his attention. Now the real work begins.
Watch yourselves.
Decepticons!
Direct hit. But they're shaking. Decepticon hit. Don't let up.
We bombed him, but the battle is not yet won.
Hit those Decepticons with everything. I'm on this. Target neutralized.
Do not relent. His systems are close to failure.
Decepticon hit. Don't let up.
I am ordering
Target neutralized.
landed 6 Decepticon incursions this year. Never before have we heard this warning.
The Fallen shall rise again. Prime, any idea who or what the Fallen might be?
None.
We're really picking up the pace. That was one fast fight.
Autobots, our efforts to find and stop the growing Decepticon threat have been successful so far. But this conflict is far from over.